What if there was a motorcycle that felt right the moment you sat on it, light enough to maneuver easily, confident enough to handle rough roads and city traffic, and reliable enough to just go whenever you twist the throttle? What if your next ride could be equally at home, cruising through town, running errands, or exploring backroads without demanding a ton of power or fancy features? Today we're breaking down a bike designed exactly for that kind of real-world versatility, the 2026 Suzuki DR125L. Stick with us until the very end of this video because there's a special surprise waiting that every true rider and Suzuki fan won't want to miss. The Suzuki DR name has a long history globally. Riders have trusted DR motorcycles for decades because they're simple, rugged, and fun to ride, and the DR125L continues that tradition for the modern era. This bike isn't about competing with big adventure tours or high-end sport bikes on paper. Instead, it's about delivering accessible performance, everyday usability, and confidence-inspiring handling in a package that new riders and experienced riders alike can appreciate. At the heart of the 2026 DR125L is a 125cc single-cylinder engine that's tuned for usable torque and smooth power delivery rather than raw output. That means the bike doesn't jump at you with unpredictable bursts of speed. Instead, it gives power in a way that feels intuitive, manageable, and confidence-boosting. From slow traffic situations in the city to rolling countryside roads, this engine feels cheerful and willing, with enough bottom-end torque to get you up to speed without fuss. One of the biggest advantages of a 125cc machine like this is how accessible it feels to a wide range of riders. If you're new to motorcycles, the gentle power delivery and predictable throttle response make learning easier and more enjoyable. You spend less time worrying about overpowering the engine and more time enjoying the ride. At the same time, more experienced riders find that this engine's character fits perfectly for commuting, short excursions, and environments where precision matters more than horsepower. Pairing with the engine is a transmission that shifts smoothly and confidently. The gearbox on the DR125L is designed so riders don't have to fight with gear changes. Each shift feels precise and intentional. Lower gears give you control when navigating tight spots, while higher gears let you maintain a comfortable pace when the road opens up. The clutch is light and easy to modulate, which helps especially in stop-and-go traffic or on longer rides where you don't want your hands to tire quickly. Another strength of the 2026 Suzuki DR125L is its lightweight and agile chassis. This isn't a bike that feels heavy or intimidating when you first sit on it. Instead, it feels playful and intuitive, responding well to rider input whether you're handling urban maneuvers or exploring quieter roads. That light handling makes it ideal for riders of all experience levels. Riders don't have to fight the bike to make it turn, lean, or react, and that creates a sense of confidence from the very first ride. Suspension on the DR125L is tuned to deliver a smooth, forgiving ride without sacrificing control. Up front, the long-traveled telescopic forks absorb bumps, potholes, and broken pavement with ease, helping keep the ride composed and reassuring. At the rear, the shock helps maintain traction and control over uneven ground without feeling too firm or harsh. This kind of suspension setup makes the bike feel capable on mixed surfaces, from paved roads to gravel paths and light backroad trails, without reminding you every second that you're on an entry-level machine. Braking performance is another area where the 2026 Suzuki DR125L delivers confidence. The front and rear brakes are designed to give riders predictable stopping power without surprises. This is especially important when surface conditions change, like going from dry pavement to loose gravel, because consistent brake feel helps riders judge their speed and control better. You don't need fancy electronic aids to feel confident here. The simple mechanical brakes do exactly what you expect them to. Handling on the DR125L is intuitive and engaging. The steering feels light enough to make quick direction changes easy, yet stable enough at moderate speeds to give you confidence on open roads. This balance between agility and stability is what makes this bike fun to ride in everyday scenarios. Weaving through city traffic or cornering on quiet backroads feels natural, not forced, and that's a big part of why so many riders enjoy bikes in this class. Comfort matters, especially on bikes intended for real-world riding, and Suzuki hasn't overlooked that on the 2026 DR125L. The seating position is upright and relaxed, which helps reduce strain on your back and shoulders during longer rides. The seat itself offers a supportive feel that helps prevent soreness without being overly firm. Combined with the upright riding posture, this makes commuting, errands, and even longer journeys feel less tiring and more enjoyable. The styling of the 2026 Suzuki DR125L reflects the bike's purpose-built character. It doesn't rely on flash or over-styling. Instead, it embraces a clean, rugged look that says ready to ride. The high-mount front fender, simple bodywork, and purposeful lines tell you this bike is about performance where it counts, not unnecessary extras that add weight or complexity. The graphics and finishes for this model year give the DR125L a fresh, modern appearance while still keeping that classic Suzuki personality. Practicality is another key advantage of the DR125L. This is a bike that's easy to park, easy to maneuver, and easy to live with, qualities that matter just as much as engine specs when you're riding every day. Whether you're navigating busy urban streets or taking a quiet backroad tour, this bike adapts without fuss. That kind of adaptability makes it a popular choice for riders who want a single bike that handles a wide range of scenarios without feeling like a compromise. Maintenance on the 2026 Suzuki DR125L is straightforward and affordable. Thanks to its mechanically simple setup, routine tasks like oil changes, chain adjustments, brake checks, and general inspections can be done quickly and without specialized tools. This simplicity isn't just cost-effective, it also means you spend less time in the workshop and more time on the road. For riders who depend on their motorcycles for daily use, that's a major benefit. Another advantage of this bike is its versatility. While some motorcycles are specialized for a specific kind of riding, the DR125L feels capable in a wide array of environments. It doesn't feel like a compromise between street and trail, it feels like a genuine dual-purpose motorcycle. You don't need to choose between a commuter bike and a trail bike. This one adapts to your intentions, whether you're running errands or exploring the countryside. Compared to other bikes in its class, the 2026 Suzuki DR125L stands out because it doesn't prioritize one aspect of performance at the expense of another. Instead, it offers a balanced experience, approachable power, intuitive handling, everyday practicality, and rider-friendly ergonomics. Some bikes might chase headline horsepower figures or fancy electronics, but the DR125L focuses on what matters most. A real-world motorcycle that's enjoyable to ride, reliable to own, and adaptable to everyday life. And now, as promised earlier in this video, here's the special surprise for those who stayed until the end. In our next video on ZAutoadvisor, we'll bring you a full comparison between the 2026 Suzuki DR125L and its closest competitors, including performance evaluations, comfort on mixed terrain, maintenance costs, fuel economy, and which bike delivers the best overall value for riders in 2026. This upcoming comparison will give you a clearer picture of which motorcycle deserves your money and attention. If you enjoy honest motorcycle reviews, practical insights, and real-world evaluations that go beyond flashy marketing, stay tuned with ZAutoadvisor. More reviews, comparisons, and exciting motorcycle content are coming your way, and your next great motorcycle decision could start right here.